Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Nissan Juke radio. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by gently prying off the trim panel around the radio display. Work slowly to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Once loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors from the trim piece. With the trim panel removed, you'll now see two Phillips head screws holding the radio unit in place. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire radio unit forward. It should slide out a few inches, giving you enough space to reach the connectors at the back. Take care not to pull too hard, as wires are still attached. Now it's time to disconnect the wiring. Each wiring harness has a small release tab. Press these tabs and gently pull the connectors straight out. Do this for all electrical connections. Next, locate the antenna cable, which is usually a single, thicker cable. Gently pull it straight out to disconnect it. Once all cables are free, you can fully remove the radio unit from the dashboard. To reinstall your radio, simply reverse the steps. Connect all the wiring harnesses and the antenna cable first, ensuring they click securely into place. Then, slide the radio unit back into the dashboard and secure it with the two Phillips head screws. Before snapping the trim panel back on, it's a good idea to test your radio to ensure everything is working correctly. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.